Let us now begin our lesson about rocks and reviewing those tiny, tiny things, those huge, huge things, hard things, soft things called rocks. So today I have a PowerPoint for you. Yes, you have seen it before, okay? But we're going to go over it together, all right? So let's get started. Now, what are rocks? Well, first, what planet do we live on? We live on Earth. Take a look at the Earth. You can see anything in blue is the ocean, the water. But the rest is land. The rest right here that you see, that brown and green, the continents, they are all land. And on the surface of that land, on the surface of the land, you can find rocks. The land you are standing on right now, you are standing right now in your house, right? Or somewhere in your house. You are standing right now on rocks. If you go out into the street, what does the street have? If you say rocks, thumbs up. Okay? Yeah, thumbs up. If you go to a mall, what's the floor made of? Come on, shout it out. Rocks. Okay? If you go to a supermarket, what is the ceiling and the floor made of? Rocks. That's right. If you go to an ocean, if you go to Aqaba or the Dead Sea, okay? And you are stepping on the sand. What's the sand made of? Yeah, tiny, tiny, tiny pieces of rock. Tiny pieces. You go into the ocean. What's the ocean have? You walk into the ocean, you start walking, go, ouch! You stepped on something. No, it's not a crab. No, they're not crabs. They're pointy and hard. Rocks, okay? So rocks are everywhere. Everywhere on Earth, you can find rocks. You can find them in mountains. You can find them at the seashore, okay? Whether they are under the water or out of the water. See, I can see some rocks right there on the beach. And I can see some rocks being covered by the water, okay? You can even find rocks in underground caves. Yes, those caves that bears sleep in, it's made of rocks. Would you like to sleep in a cave? Yes, you would. You would like to sleep in a cave? Well, you tell me, caves, do they have soft rocks? Nah, thumbs down, thumbs down. Do they have hard rocks, the caves? Yeah, yeah. Have you ever tried sleeping on a hard rock? Ouch, that would hurt, okay? And you can find rocks at the bottom of the sea. Raise your hand if you went to Aqaba. Raise your hand if you went to Aqaba. Ah, I see some people have went to Aqaba. Aqaba in Jordan, okay? Raise your hand if you went to the Dead Sea. Okay, did you look down at the water? Tell me, how many looked down at the water while you were at Aqaba or the Dead Sea? Raise your hand up. Okay, did you see any rocks? I bet you did. I bet you did. Did you see tiny, tiny pieces of rock like sand? No? Or yes? Oh my God. Didn't we say rocks can be tiny, 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 like sand? Sand are tiny pieces of rock. And there are big pieces of rock. And even bigger pieces of rock, right? All right, so let's talk about the names of rocks and where I can find them. Ah, I see some hands like, Miss, I have these rocks, I have these rocks, I have them. Okay, let's start with this rock. This rock is granite. Where can you find granite? You don't know? I'll give you a clue. Mommy can cut the vegetables before she cooks on granite. So where can I find granite? In the bathroom? In the bedroom? How about the kitchen? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, very good. I can find granite in the kitchen. It's so hard that if you take a knife and go, you can't scratch it. It's really hard. Okay, let's take the other type of rock. This rock is marble. It looks beautiful and shiny and smooth. How many have marble floors? Look at your floor right now. Look at your floor right now. Does it look like marble? Is it smooth and shiny? Okay, no? No? Okay, so that means you did not use marble on your floor. Some did and some did. Raise your hand if you have marble floors. I want to see who has marble floors. Ah, very nice, very nice. Some people have shiny marble floors. Okay, those of you who do not, take a look around your house. Think about what's in your house. Do you have any tables in your house that have shiny white marble on it? No. No? Take a minute to think. Does mommy have a dining table that has marble on it? No? Does mommy have a kitchen table that has marble on it? No? Okay, I guess mommy likes wood a lot, right? Okay, well, marble, because it's so shiny and looks nice, can be used for the floor of houses. Okay? Really, really nice. How about, I know. How many of you, when you come to school, when you come to my yard school, you look down on the floor when you're in the hallway, when you're walking in the hallway, when you walk down the hallway, going to the bathroom, or getting a drink of water, okay? Or going to PE class, computer class. Did you look at the floor of my yard school? Is it shiny? Is it smooth? That's because they use marble to make the floor, okay? Now, let's take this one. Where do you think I can find sandstone? I'll give you a clue. The name tells you where you can find it. Can you find it in Rocky Mountains? No. Can you find it in oceans? Maybe not. Remember, it's a sandstone. Can you find it in sandy places like deserts and beaches? Where's my thumbs up? The answer is yes. Sandstone can be found. Sandstone, as you can see, can be found in sandy places like deserts and beaches. Okay, what about this guy? Limestone. Limestone. Is it smooth and hard like marble and granite? No, it's not. It's not hard and smooth. Does it have holes? Take a look. Does it have holes? Yeah, it does. It does have holes, the limestone. Okay? That's because limestone is not hard like granite, and it's not soft either. Do you know that scientists, how many want to be scientists? Do you know that scientists can tell what animals and plants lived in the past by looking at limestone? You'll find out why very soon. Okay, so granite, hard, and has large grains inside it. Think of it as large dots inside. Very, very hard, very hard. We use it when we want to make something that cannot be broken, cannot be cut, like mommy's kitchen counter. Okay? Limestone, you can use it to study the past, like dinosaurs. How do you know that dinosaurs were on Earth? You look at limestones. Limestone can show you the body of a dinosaur if the dinosaur died on that rock. Okay? Marble, smooth, nice, shiny, very nice to use for the floor of houses and buildings. Sandstone, made up of layers, just like a cake. A layer and layers of grain. Take a look. It looks like a cake, right? Or someone took lines and made line, 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 line. Judy, I can see your hands. Hands still, sweetheart. Okay? All right. So now we know there is granite, there is sandstone, limestone, and marble. Okay? Different types of rocks have different colors. They also have different texture. How they feel. Some are soft, soft and smooth. Some are rough. Ouch, that hurts. Okay? So rocks have different colors, different textures, and have different sizes of grains. Take a look at that marble. Look at those spots. Okay? Those are big spots, right? Now look at the marble right beside it. The spots are smaller. The grains are smaller, right? Now take a look at Amun, head up please. Now take a look at sandstones. The grains are so tiny and they're in lines too. Take a look at limestone. Are the grains big or different sizes? I'd say different sizes, right? Okay. Now, name 2 places you can find rocks. I'm going to give you a place, and you tell me with your hands, okay? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no, if you can find a rock in there, okay? Example, if I say house, can you find a rock in a house? Yes, you can. So you say thumbs up. You go thumbs up. Excellent. If I say Tree. Can you find a rock in a tree? No. So you say thumbs down. Very good. Okay, so you ready? I'm going to give you different places, different things. If you can find a rock in it, thumbs up. If you can't, thumbs down, okay? Let's start easy. Let's start with chair. Can you find our rocks made of chairs? Exactly. Thank you, Siwar. Thumbs down. Thank you, Judy. Okay. Can you find rocks in school? Yes. Thank you, Natalie. Thank you, Zena. Thank you, Sad. Thank you, Isa. Very good. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Can you find rocks in pencils? The answer is yes. Yes. Didn't we say tiny, tiny pencil here? Yes. You can find a rock in a pencil. The answer is yes. Okay. Can you find rocks in the air? No. No. Can you? I can breathe rocks. No. No rocks in the air. Okay. Excellent. Can you find rocks in my hair? No rocks in my hair. Okay. Can you find rocks on the beach? Yeah. Can you find rocks on the street? Yes. There are black rocks on the street. Come on, Muhammad. Come on, Eileen. Where are my thumbs up? Okay. Can you find rocks in your closet? Is your closet made of rocks? No. It's made of wood, so no rocks in my closet. Okay. One last one. Can you find rocks in books? As in, is your book made of rocks? Is your book made of rocks? No. Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Tala. No. Books are not made of rocks. Yes, Amun, it's not made of rocks. Okay, so we can find rocks in mountains, oceans, beaches. We can find rocks in houses. We can find rocks when we look at small things also, like pencils. So, question 2. Name rocks A and B and C, then fill in the table. Well, I already helped you out here. So, rock A is limestone. Rock B, sandstone. You can see the layers, right? And rock C, granite. It's hard with big grains. All right then. You have to tell me A, B, or C for each sentence, okay? I'm going to say a sentence, and you tell me which rock is perfect for that sentence. All right? You ready? So I'll show you again how to use your hands to show A, B, C. This is A, okay? A. This is B, okay? Circle and a stick. And this is C, okay? A is limestone. B is sandstone. C is granite, okay? So you ready? First sentence. Contains fossils. Is it A, B, or C? Show me. What rock will I find fossils? A, B, or C? All right. The answer is A. So those who said A, bravo. Okay. Next sentence. It has layers. Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? It has layers. Is it A, B, or C? You can do B like this if you want. Just you hold up the stick, okay? The answer is B. Oh, which leaves the last answer. What has grains? C. Now, all of these are fossils. They are about animals that died long, long ago. I mean, thousands, millions of years ago. How do I know? It's because I can see them on which rock? On granite? Thumbs down. No, not granite. On marble? No. Thumbs down. Can I find these fossils on sandstone? No. Can I find them on limestone? Yes, thank you, Zena. Thank you guys. Thank you, boys and girls. Yes, I can find fossils on limestones. This seashell is 1 million years old. This dinosaur lived millions of years ago, and so did this fish. How do I know? It's because I can see what remained, the shape of their body on the limestone. Okay? All right then. Well done, boys and girls. This is an excellent, excellent listening class. Now, I'm going to give 3 questions, and I want to hear people give me one answer to every question. So I'm going to turn on the audio, but here's a rule. I cannot hear anybody speak until I say 1, 2, 3, and then you say the answer, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to zip everyone, okay? So I'm going to ask 3 questions. You listen to the question. I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And do this. You shout the answer. One answer, okay? You make noise. Zip to everyone, okay? So, all right, everybody. Turn on your audios. Turn them on, turn them on, turn them on. Okay. Question number 1.
Finally, we're alone. Can speak now.
If I hear any words being spoken, I'm zipping. Okay. Question number 1. What rock has layers? 1, 2, 3. Again, what rock has layers? 1, 2, 3. Sandstone. Excellent. Sandstone. All right. Question 2. Ready? What rock can I find fossils on? 1, 2, 3.
Limestone.
Excellent! Limestone. Okay, last question. Question 3. What rock is hard and has big grains? 1, 2, 3. Bravo! Bravo, guys. You guys are really smart, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.